What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another hunting boot camp. So you probably saw the teal whistle video by now. Now we're going to cover the mallard whistle. This is by far the most common whistle people probably hear if they go duck hunting or just watch them in the park. There's just the ducks going. And I have my other whistle here as well. It's that simple. Now what you want to do to make this whistle is just G. Grit your teeth together and just say G, 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 and that's all it is. These whistles are pretty simple once you get the hang of them. There's not much to them, but they can make the difference. Just something that sounds a little bit more realistic to your spread. Hopefully you guys will be able to use this and it'll help you harvest some more ducks in this upcoming season. But that is all I have for you guys. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave me a thumbs up. Really helps me out. Drop a comment. Let me know what your thoughts were. Guys, do you use whistles when you go out duck hunting? Let me know down below. Subscribe if you haven't already seen. Stay up to date with the latest hunting and fishing exploits as well as cooking videos, hunting how-to tips and tricks. Like I said, we got more of these whistle videos coming out this week, as well as a whole bunch more stuff coming out throughout the summer and then even into waterfowl season. But subscribe if any of that is up your alley, and we will catch you out there, guys. See ya.